Hello and welcome back. We've got another week on the building site, another list of jobs to do. The list starts with the Technic room, getting that ready, prepared for all of the equipment that's going to go in there. So we're doing the walls now, just so that it's a bit nicer. I mean, doing it after we've got all of the electrical stuff in there would be horrible. So it's easy to do it now. Once we have that done, we can start really getting cracking on with the electrics and the water. I'm spending some time outside, just getting this wood in order. We're putting an oven in the house, a wood burning stove, and I'm going to use this wood just to feed it through the winter months. We've got more up on the field, but this should be a good start. And so I'm getting the nails out and just preparing that now. Yeah, and then we'll have a bit of a warmer house because it's 5 degrees inside at the moment, which is pretty cold. It's okay if you're working, but it's not good for anything cement or mortar related to dry. It needs to be a bit warmer. My lovely wood pile. a new wall and new possibilities to drill holes in it. Some issues with the machine, which is the best to use. Most of them can't really handle boring in. So we're gonna bore in with the electric one and then finish it off with this one. And just use the hammer function to really get in there and get it all out. Maybe that's better. You know what's funny? You spend so much time drilling out these walls, it gets like crunchy in your mouth. It's like you're eating sand. So most of the time I have a mask on, but like when you're just doing a little bit at a time, it's not too bad, not too dusty, but dusty work. Oh. Well, starting to feel a little bit like Christmas. Obviously it's not. And I'm not recommending you go buy anything for Christmas. But we do have a lot of snow. Well, a lot. It's the first snow of winter, so it's good. Got the chimney in, got the oven heating. It's a hot stove, so it's pretty good. And yeah, we're just getting on. You know, it's not the quickest progress now with just the two of us, but that's how you save money. So, see you next time.